What up, boys and girls? Time for science. Ciencias. Here we go. This should look familiar to you using topographic maps. We talked about that before, excuse me, before we all had to stay home. So here we go. We're on science day 1. We're going to read it together. Notice they have a little picture of what a topographic map might look like. It says to read the text and answer the questions. Topographic maps show us the shape of Earth's surface. They look a lot different from a regular map. Regular maps show mostly highways and roads. Topographic maps show a more realistic view of the landscape. Realistic. I hear the word. I'm so sorry. Real. So I know it's gonna give me a more real picture or a better picture of the landscape. They let you see the 3D landscape on a 2D surface. So 3D is like something that you can hold. 2D would be like a picture on the paper. You can't grab it, it's just there. This means that they show things like the height of mountains and the depth of valleys. They may also show lakes and streams. They have a lot of different lines and symbols, which means they are it doesn't say very, but it might be, I don't know, which means that they are different to read than a regular map. The curved lines are called contour lines. I bet that comes up at some point because that's kind of all this is about. So we want to be making sure we're keeping those notes in our head. These are what show the height of land. So if this is important, this is also important. Because these maps have so much information, you can use them for many different things. They are very useful for hiking, I might need to know that, and other outdoor activities. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna answer our questions because we read the text. Now we're gonna answer, so let's see. Number 1, what do contour lines tell you? Well, you know what? I can tell you what they tell me because I was taking notes. Let's see. Contour lines. It tells me the curved lines are called contour lines. These are what show the height of the land. And here we see the height of the land. So let's just check to make sure the other ones don't make sense too and we're not being tricked. So we've got the location of trees. Well, no, it doesn't tell us anything about trees in here. The location of rivers. No, doesn't talk about that. It does talk about lakes and streams, but not when we're talking about contour lines. And then location of roads. No, they said regular maps show roads, so the answer should be C, the height of the land. Number 2, let's zoom out ski. Here we go. Hopefully you can still kind of see that. Remember, you have yours with you if you can't see mine. Number 2, what can a topographic map show? Well, you know what. It tells us exactly what they show. Let's see. Topographic maps show a more realistic view. Okay, well, it doesn't tell us that, so let's keep reading. They let you see 3D on a 2D surface. We don't talk about any of that. Let's keep going. This means that they show, what do they show? Here we go. They show things like the height of mountains and the depths of valleys. So let's look, which one should we pick? That's right, boys and girls, the depths of valleys. Has this at all talked about animals? No. Did it talk about plants? No. Did it talk about ice? No. Okay, so do not let this on a mountain trick you. Okay, depth of valleys. They do show the height of mountains, but none of these are talking about height. Okay, so you have to make sure that you're reading very carefully and you are not going through these really quick and doing a poor job. Okay, all right. And number 3, for which activity would a topographic map be useful? Well, you know what? We took some notes. They are very useful for hiking and other outdoor activities. Driving is not outdoors. This would be more like a regular map with the roads on it. Swimming, probably not. Basketball, no. but hiking, it definitely tells us, so it should be C. All right. Again, comment if you have any questions. If you want to let us know how you did, that's super cool. If you have anything that you were thinking of, or if you were taking notes and you're really proud of that, if you want to share anything at all, comment on this video. And then there will be one more for our language.